I'm gonna make a very famous Taiwanese dish called 肉燥. In English, that means braised ground pork. This is the main ingredient for this braised ground pork. This one is called fried shallot sliced. It's made in Taiwan, and I recommend do not replace it because this will give you a genuine Taiwanese style full flavor, and I got it from 99 Ranch Supermarket. Here are the ingredients. This is the light soy sauce, and this is the dark soy sauce, and this is the white wine, and this is brown sugar, and this is water. And this one is the main ingredient, that is the fried shallot slices. First, we're putting ground pork into the pot, and do not add any oil, because when we stir fry it, the ground pork will produce lard, and we use the gentle and low heat to stir fry. Do not use high heat. That's this braised ground pork. Braised ground pork is one of Taiwan's famous homemade food. It is also my favorite dishes. And this, you can eat it alone, or you can put it over rice or noodle. You can also cook with boiled vegetable. Please follow my recipe to make braised ground pork and let it sit overnight. It tastes better the next day. And you can add soy sauce or sugar to your favorite taste. Today, I can eat it with white rice and cooked vegetable. Like this, some rice, vegetable, pork. Excellent taste. You got a combination of savory and sweet all flavored together. Very nice. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.